Well, hello there, this is Gundam UK. I hope you're all well. It's been a long time, as usual. I have been doing a little bit of a project here, just on the side, just getting back into the flow of things, working on this Origin Zaku 1 at the minute. I've finally got around to painting. I'm just doing some base coating at the minute for this. Hopefully that'll turn out alright, we shall see. What's coming next is this very nice looking MG scale sword strike from Dragon Momoko. This has been on my shelf for 6 years, and I had to literally dust it off. I took it off the shelf earlier today. I'm going to possibly do a custom paint job on this. The details on this look really fantastic, so I'm curious to see how this is going to look once it's been assembled. So I'm going to have a quick look inside and see what we're working with. Bear with me a sec. Maybe we'll do a fast forward here. Now this kit promises here on the side of the box, perfect grade level of detail, perfect reduction. Interesting. So yeah, I would still prefer to have a perfect grade, to be honest, but let's just see what we've got. Now, I'm aware that this kit has lots of extra bits that can be applied to it, but I'm just going to build this particular kit here. We have a manual, standard fare. I'm really hoping that the decals are going to be alright after sitting for so long on the shelf, and yeah, they look okay. They've not stuck to the plastic. Let's actually show you. This is a good sign. I mean, I've got lots of decals anyway, just in case, but these are looking okay. Good to see. Quick look at the runners here. Yeah, pretty much master grade standard fare. The detail is actually pretty cool. I mean, I've not worked on many non-Bandai kits, so this will be an interesting build. So I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and start getting this assembled, and then we're going to think about how we're going to paint it. So here is the fully assembled DN sword strike. Took a little while, standard master grade fare really, and a couple of issues here and there. The main one being the hands, which I found to be absolutely disgracefully bad, in my opinion. Nicely engineered, of course, but the moment I tried to fix the first finger on the other hand, this little finger here, it immediately snapped. So I looked through some of my spares, see if I could find something to replace it, and I pretty much settled on these Gunpla Builders Parts HD hands, which fit rather nicely and have a nice little bit of detail. Just need to do a bit of modification just on the ball joint, just to keep them a bit more secure. Had a bit of a problem with the waist, that was thankfully solved by one of my Facebook followers, Lee Cheng. Thank you very much for pointing out that I'd put on the top of the waist in the wrong direction, which resulted in it nearly impossible for me to fit the back skirts here, but that's been solved, thankfully. So the next part is to start taking it all apart, make some decisions on some colours, and start to get to work on some painting. But overall I'm pretty pleased with how it looks. It's pretty nicely detailed for what it is. The sword is absolutely ginormous. The gun's looking pretty handsome. I'm probably going to start on the weapons first. So in the next video, let's start on that. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.